Okay, everybody, now that we have reviewed absolute value, let's take a look at a couple harder examples. So first of all, number 2, solve the equation. Letter A, 4 times the absolute value of 2x plus 7 equals 16. Now, in our previous examples, we just had our absolute value equaled a number. This time, the difference is we have this 4. Couple of things we have to discuss about our 4. First of all, you cannot distribute a value into absolute value. No. Okay, that cannot happen. Now, the second thing that we need to discuss about absolute value is when we're solving an absolute value equation and we kind of break it apart, we've got the first one, we've got the absolute value thing equals the positive version, and then we have it equals the negative version. We can only do that when our absolute value is kind of by himself, if possible, because we are going to come up to an example where that's not going to happen and we're going to do something different. But if we can, what we really want to do is we want to get the absolute value by itself. That'll make our life a little easier. So what we're going to do is, in order to get rid of this 4, we're going to divide both sides by 4. 4 is going to go away, and we're going to have the absolute value of 2x plus 7 equals 4. Now, if we can get it to look like that, that's preferable. And now we can go about what we were doing before. So we take 2x plus 7 equals positive 4. And then we take 2x plus 7 equals negative 4. On our first one, I'm going to subtract 7, which is going to leave me with 2x equals negative 3. And then I'm going to divide by 2, which is going to give me x equals negative 3 halves. And for the sake of our answer, I'm just going to leave it like that. That's perfectly okay. On the other side, 2x plus 7 equals negative 4. I'm going to subtract 7, which is going to give us 2x equals negative 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I'm going to divide by 2, which is going to give us x equals negative 11 halves. And we're done. Okay, letter B. So once again, if we can, preferably, we want to get this absolute value completely by itself. Okay? The other thing, whatever you do, you may not, no. You may not distribute a number into absolute value. You have to get rid of it some other way. So on this guy, the first thing I'm going to do is add 3. That's going to leave me with negative 2 times the absolute value of 5x minus 1 equals 11, 10, 9, negative 8. At this point, I'm still trying to get this absolute value by itself, so I'm going to divide by negative 2, which is going to leave me with the absolute value of 5x minus 1 equals negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. Now that I have my absolute value by itself, it's equal to a positive number. I can split up the equation just like we did before. So 5x minus 1 equals positive 4. 5x minus 1 equals negative 4. And then we just go from there. So my first equation, I'm going to add 1. 5x equals 5. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 5. X equals 1. Second one, add 1. 5x equals negative 3. Divide by 5. X equals negative 3/5. And again, for the sake of our answer, it is completely okay for you to leave your answer looking like that.